Creations. This is the last pour of 2020. I have a lot of little gnats hanging out. So I have been on this journey for a little less than 2 years, and the very first video I ever saw was Gina DeLuca. So I'm going to attempt a Gina DeLuca pour. Thanks, Gina. If it weren't for you, I probably never would have gotten into this, but I'm so grateful. Grateful Creations, haha. Anyhow, let's get going on this. I have, all of my paints are super thin. That's what she uses. This is a little bit of Prism Violet and Dioxazine Purple mixed together. This is Liquitex Basics in Magenta. This is Liquitex Basics in Cadmium Red Deep. This is a mixture of the Liquitex Basics Magenta and some orange. This is my orange, which is Liquitex Basics Cadmium Orange Hue. And this is Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue. So, I'm going to attempt it. And if it doesn't work out, I had a thought about putting the cloud pour mix over top, but I'm going to try it like this first. I've got enough paint so that if it messes up, if I mess up, I can do a second painting. So, and as everyone knows who follows me, I'm usually better on the second round. Somehow, the first rounds don't even work out too well, but hey, try again. So I just took all my sticks out, so it makes it a little bit easier. And I have, I'm sorry, this is 4 cups, but we're only going to go to 16 ounces. I've already painted my edges, and I have a base coat. So I'm going to pour this first and then put my base coat down. So I'm just going to go right in. Somehow, I need 16 ounces. Generally, when I've seen her do it, the yellow sinks to the bottom. So I'm going to put this aside, get my base coat down, and the reason why we don't use paper cups for pouring our paints in is because they tend to seep, and I found that out tonight. So anyhow, I'm going to let you guys rest for a second. It's almost midnight, and I'm going to get this covered, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. It didn't sink too much, so I have no idea how this is going to work out. But I guess I can just say Geronimo and say goodbye to 2020. So we're going to pour it up high. We have there's a fireworks place that's down the street from us, and I think a lot of people took advantage of it. I don't think I can do the, oh Jesus, I can't do she's really good at that. Well, let's have to see. Oh. smell. Oh, come hither, my trusty. Oh my goodness. That won't be too bad, I guess. It's gonna make an interesting design. All right. That actually kind of almost looks like a Gina DeLuca painting. I'm going to torch this baby now. Get all the bubbles out. Yeah, that center is going to be interesting. Yeah. Not exactly what I was going for, but hey, it might turn out to be something really pretty or really funky. But Michelle has to mess with it some more. There we go. Oh, this is starting to look really cool. Oh my God, I think I've got it. Woo. That would be so awesome. All right, I'm gonna let you guys, yeah, look at it, I got a drip right there, but I'm not even gonna touch it because it'll probably flow off anyways. Look at that pretty cup though. So many pretty colors. So I'm gonna turn you guys off, let it sit for a minute or two, and then come back. All right, guys, let's do this. Last pour of 2020. I'm holding my breath. I've tried Gina's pours before and they have never worked out. And I think, by George, I think I've got it. So Gina, this one's for you, sweetie. Thank you for all that you do and for getting me started on this wonderful journey. I don't know if I want to go off there yet. Yeah, I do. Oh, jeez. Oh. All right, there it goes. Back to center. I kind of like that flamey thing going on in the center. Yeah, I really like the flames. This is better than I expected. And off you go. Back to the center. This is cool, guys. I'm kind of really liking it. Let me see here. What do I want to do? See, these are getting crooked already. I don't like that. Ugh. All right. I don't know how. Why are they getting crooked? I came back to the center. Dang it. Might have to take those off because I don't like them. Now I'm going to since the weight of the paint is down there, I am going to go right over to that corner, and hopefully nothing will get distorted. This is fun, doing a painting on New Year's Eve. Hope everybody's having a good time. I've been staying low-key at home like I'm supposed to. Oh, guys. Oh, my. Wow. I actually anchored that up here, so it's going to be interesting what happens to it. I'm trying to go real slow, but it's kind of real hard to go real slow. But I know that's what I need to do. Oh my. I really wanted to keep some of that magenta. There's a bug in it. I'm going to go off that corner because I don't like that green. It looks like a poopy green. The winds are blowing tonight. It's been like that a lot here in Florida. I can't believe this. I just can't believe it. It's just, wow. That's all I gotta say. I haven't even torched it yet. I'm kind of loving this. I'm glad I messed the center up. See? Things were meant to happen that way. Holy Toledo. Oh, let me wash my hands for a split second. Take a peek at this. Oh, my Lanta. Oh. I don't know what to do first. Well, let's torch it. Well, no, I think I'll try and get the bug out before I torch it. We don't need to make any appetizers. Let me see here. Where did he go? Hopefully he hasn't sunk to the bottom. I don't know why they do that. They just like paint. There he is. And he's gone. There we go. I'm wondering if this is going to sell up anymore. This looks really cool, guys. I mean, and it's still coming up. Coming up. I don't know if I'm going to get too many cells or not. I'm not sure. But it's really cool. Yes. Take that, 2020. Wow. I just can't believe it. I just can't believe it. I'm like in awe. I'm going to have to turn... Oh, we've only got 5 minutes left till midnight. So I'm going to give it 5 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and let you guys see if it's developed at all. And then we can take it in for a close-up. This is like so cool. It's, oh my God, look at this. It's definitely, it's a flamethrower. Flamethrower, that's what we'll call it. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, see you in a few. Happy New Year,